How to get a refund on Kango applications. First, you're gonna go to your browser. I'm using Safari here. And here at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Simply tap on it and you wanna type in Kango refund. After that, you wanna scroll down and you'll be able to see the official Kango Express terms and condition over here. Simply tap on it. And here you wanna scroll down all the way. After that, here you'll see an option called customer support. Simply tap on it. You want to type it out your information over here and your message over here. You want to explain your problem and you wanting a refund. After that, you want to clear this reCAPTCHA of I'm not a robot and simply submit your problem over here. And in 2-3 days, the official Kango team will reach out to you, and if your appeal is valid, you'll get your refund from here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.